Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to change the wiper blades on our 2009 Toyota Camry. So to start with, you can just raise this wiper blade and it'll stay up like this. We got a tab here to flip up, and then this is the J-hook design, and so you just pull it back down and then pull it out. This was right beyond its life expectancy, slash you're going to turn this on and this wiper blade is going to fly off on the road. So we have our new one here, and you're just going to take it, you're going to get that J-hook in there, and then just snaps up into place. And if you were taking it off, there's a little tab, you do that. This is a little bit different. The blade itself is a little bit different design, but it still snaps in the J-hook, just like the other one was. And then you put that wiper back, and then we'll go do the passenger one. So we can do the same with raising that up like we did with the driver's side. And then flip that little tab up. So just don't worry about it because we're not looking to keep these. There we go. So take that off, and then the same concept here. We just take this, put the J-hook in there, and then pull it until it locks into place, and that's how you replace your windshield wipers on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.